I don't usually do these like bartender demonstration videos, but you know, I'm stuck at home feeling like a drink, and I like this drink that I've been making. What I do is I take 1 part absinthe. I get this particular absinthe from Pilot House here in Astoria. And then, ooh, new bottle. 1 part vodka. This is not a drink for sissies. This is a tough ass drink and it will knock you on your ass. Now that in itself might be an absinthe martini, although I usually add a little simple syrup. But what I've started doing is adding a splash of champagne on top. This is the Trader Joe's Blanc de Blanc. You get it for about $6. It's good to get a case when you happen to be in Trader Joe's. And that I need a name for. So give me some ideas.